Hi, grade 1. Today we're going to be doing some more subtraction and word problems with takeaway. So, if we know that 7 take away 1, you can count backwards by 1 is 6. 7 take away 2 is 5. 7 take away 3 is 4. Then, if you know these things, you should be able to figure out this missing number. 7 take away what number equals 3? Well, you can check up there. 7 take away what number equals 3? 4. Or you could do something else. 7 take away 4 equals 3. We know that. It's right here. Or we could look right up here. 7 take away 3 equals 4. We could try that here. 7 take away 3 equals 4. And is that true? Why? Yes, it is. Seven take away 3 equals 4. So we could go 8 take away 2. All right, let's take away 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we could go, okay, 8 take away what number equals 2? Okay, so let's take away these guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 take away 6 equals 2. Or you could do it the easier way. 8 take away 2 equals 6. 8 take away 2 equals 6. 8 take away 6. Well, we could take away 6, but in our last math class, we also learned, if this number is pretty big, we can count forwards. So you grab the 6 and you count till you get to 8. Ready? Grab the 6. 6, 7, 8. How many fingers are up? 2. Don't believe me? Well, let's get rid of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 left over. We can do the same thing over here. 8 take away what number equals 6? Well, let's just do 8 take away 6. And then you'll find out 8 take away 2 equals 6 because we know math has number families. 8, 2, and 6 go together, always. 8 take away 6 equals 2. 8 take away 2 equals 6. 2 plus 6 equals 8. 6 plus 2 equals 8. If you know number families, adding and subtracting will be much easier. See? 8 take away 2 equals 6. 8 take away 2 equals 6. If you know 9 take away 3 equals 6, you will know 9 take away 3 equals 6. 8 take away 5 equals 3. 8 take away 5 equals 3. We just did this one. If you don't remember 8 take away 5 equals 3 after I just said it, then you're not listening to me. 10 take away what number equals 7? Well, let's do 10 take away 7. Ooh, but 7's a big number. So we could count backwards, but it's easier to count forwards. So grab the 7, count till 10. Ready? 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 3. I hope you also remember 3 and 7 make 10. 9 take away equals 2. Too small. So let's count backwards. 9 take away 2. Ready? 9, 8, 7. 9 take away 7 equals 2. 9 take away 2 equals 7 because they're number families. So now we're going to work on some word problems. All the word problems are going to be takeaway, so I just put the takeaway in there. So we're always going to know two numbers, and we have to figure out, okay, which box do we have to figure out? So 6 children are at the park. Some children leave. Some children leave. Now 4 children are at the park. How many children left? Well, we know we started with 6, so we should start with 6. Some children left, so we have to figure out this one. And 4 kids are left over at the park. So we could do 6 take away 4, start at the 6, count backwards 4. Or we could, since 4 is pretty close to 6, grab the 4 and count to the 6. You should get the same number. I'm going to grab because counting forward is easier. 4, 5, 6. And I have 2 fingers up. Okay, we have 2 numbers and we have to figure out one of them. 10 fish are under a rock. Some fish swim away. Now 6 fish are under a rock. We started with 10. Some fish swam away. We don't know how many went away. We do know 6 are still under the rock. I hope you know what number goes with 6 to make 10. But if you don't, grab the 6, count up to 10. Ready? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 4 fingers. 2 numbers and one we have to figure out. 8 children are standing. Some children sit down. Now 5 children are standing. Well, we started with 8. Some children sit down. Some went away, or some are left. We don't know. 5 children are standing. Grab the 5, count to 8. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 children sat down. There are 12 balloons. Some balloons pop. Now there are 7 balloons. So we started with 12. Some popped. Some went away. We don't know how many. So we're trying to figure out that one. We are left over with 7. So you could do 12, take away 7. Or you could go from 7 and count up to 12. To me, that's easier. Ready? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5 fingers up. 6 children are sleeping. Some children wake up. Now 4 children are sleeping. So we started with 6 sleeping kids. We don't know how many woke up. We do know that 4 are still sleeping. So let's grab the 4. 4, 5, 6. That's 2 fingers. Kyle finds 8 seashells. Starts with 8. Some get given away. He has 4 left over. Do you know your doubles facts? Do you know that 4 and 4 make 8? You could count backwards by 4. You could count forwards by 4. You should get... Oh, hi, Carter! Do you know that you're star of the week? There are 5 boys on the bus. Then something happens. Now there are 2 boys on the bus. Something happened. You have fewer boys. That means you have takeaway. We started with 5. Something happens to some of the boys because now we only have 2. So we can count backwards by 2 or count forwards. Let's count backwards because 2 is a small number. Ready? 5, 4, 3. And you should also know that 3 and 2 make 5. 5 birds are in a tree, then something happens. Now 2 birds are in the tree. We started with 5, now we only have 2. Some went away. Take away. We started with 5. Now we have 2. You should know that 3 and 2 make 5. Alex has 8 marbles. Then something happens. Sophie came and shoved them all under my couch. Now he's got 4 marbles. Started with 8. Some went away because now he's only got 4. You should know that 8 and 4. 4 and 4 make 8. Okay. 3 pages. Well, no, 2. Unless your mom or dad or older brother or sister make you do all 3 pages. You have to find the missing number. Look, they even give you the answer. Then you have to find the missing number. You can go 7, take away 4. Or you can count from 4 up to 7. Up to you. These are bonus, which means no, you don't have to, but you can do them. And then page 114 and 115. You don't have to do both. You can do this one or this one. Unless somebody tells you you'd better do both. Then you'd better listen to that someone. I say you get to pick. And then, oh, there's Carter. Thanks for being Star of the Week, Carter. Hope you had fun.